Hello, my name is Sonia L. Edwards, and I'm a paralegal as well as the CEO of MVA Virtual Administrative Services. We are virtual assistants that handle everyday tasks for small businesses. This includes email and scheduling, bookkeeping, business development, client follow up and customer service, paralegal writing and research, external and internal communications, you name it. We do it. Supporting small businesses through their back offices, which is the foundation of your business. Our customizable high level support removes the tedious task from off of your desk and right onto ours. So just think of us as your behind the scene powerhouse. So I ask you, sir and madam, what's taking up your time? How can we at NVA Virtual Administrative Services serve you today? Now listen up, Philadelphia landlord, investment property owners, as well as landlord tenants and developers. Listen, if you have tenants that you are that owes you thousands of dollars in back rent, I want to share with you the information as it relates to Pennsylvania's 10-day notice to quit. It's a legal requirement before you begin to file your landlord tenant complaint. Some some landlords tend to dismiss that step, and then they have the court to throw it out. But what the notice does is that it provides a demand for past due rent from your tenant. It also terminates the tenant's rights to remain in the property if they fail to meet that demand, but it also starts the clock to the court. This notice is a formal demand that the rent ends the tenant's rights to stay in the property if they don't pay, and it starts the countdown within the courts for that 10 days. So let me just explain, because this is where a lot of landlords make their first mistake. The first day of service, when you serve notice to the tenant, that is the most important. You have to get that right. So example, you serve notice on January 1st. The clock doesn't start there then. The clock starts on January 2nd. The 10 days would end on January 11th, and then on January 12th, you could begin filing your complaint with the court. But how you serve that notice is very important. You can either serve it by certified mail, which is recommended, or regular mail. Have someone, a personal service company, serve them personally. The notice must also be properly served, as well as it must be very clear in the case, very clear in stating exactly what your demands are. The notice must include the tenant's full name, the address of the property, as well as the exact amount of rent that's owed. A clear 10-day demand notice of the court action and include your signature and the date. Philadelphia plays by different rules, so getting this right is vitally important, because you know what? We have professional tenants out there, and these tenants know that you have to have good cause in order to evict or eject them from that property. So therefore, you have to make sure that that there is good cause, because the judges scrutinize these orders very carefully. And Philadelphia is very well known for leaning very much towards and on the tenant side. So details matters in order to win cases. And that's where NVA steps in. We can help you make sure your filing is correct, make sure your details are right, make sure that it is compliant with the timing and scheduling of when things have to be filed and served at the right time, so that when you present your facts and your vermins, that it is accepted and you win that case. So if you want to have and know how we MVA can help you with dealing with some difficult tenants, reach out to us. Our website address is listed below, along with our phone number, but you can find us also on all of our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, we're on LinkedIn, we're on Alignable, we're even on Nextdoor. So you can find us, just search MVA Virtual Administrative Services. Or you know what? Just do it old school. Pick up the phone and give me a call. 484-685-5191. Can't wait to speak to you.